you looking for the best welding gloves? In this video, we will break down the top 6 welding gloves on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hi there! Here at Tools Informer, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks with a buying guide for every category based on product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the product links down below in the description. And please, like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews and buying guides regularly.
At number 1. REVCO GM1611 Welding Gloves. The REVCO GM1611 Black Stallion MIG welding gloves are made of thick flexible cowhide on the palms and the backs. They're 12 inches long with white cowhide leather cuffs. With a full cotton liner inside, these gloves are comfortable to wear for extended work sessions. REVCO calls the reinforcement on the heel of the glove the drag pitch, and additional reinforcing leather on the back of the cuff is named dress pitch. Also, it features Kevlar stitching on every seam for maximum durability in the high temperature, high impact environment created by the welding processes. You'll love the durable construction and the fit on these gloves. You wear well in the fingertips and the seams stay together. At number 2. Lincoln Welding Gloves. The Lincoln electric welding gloves are a popular pair of gloves made of complete leather outside construction with high-grade split leather cowhide to protect against high temperatures. The gloves have come with a soft cotton liner to provide comfort and absorb moisture during use. The gloves are designed for durability with Kevlar stitching and reinforced welted seams to help prevent tears. These gloves are okay for the price, but earn the highest quality. The shape of the fingers are quite uniform, and the leather is tough, so it won't provide the dexterity and touch sensitivity required for TIG welding. At number 3. RAPICCA Welding Gloves. This is the ideal length for a MIG welding glove. It covers more than half of your forearm, which is all you really need. This glove provides safety, comfort, and functionality when working. The RAPICCA gloves have a reinforced second layer on the palm and fingers to protect you from sharp metal, while remaining very flexible. They're soft and easy to work with, yet sturdy and durable. The cowhide makes these gloves very soft and breathable, so they can be worn for hours, providing comfort all the while. Beneath the cowhide, there's a layer of aluminum foil to protect your hands from the heat. The inside is lined with a breathable layer of soft cotton. The biggest drawback of this pair is that it's one size fits all. If you have small hands, they'll probably be too big. The stitching is actually made from Kevlar thread, so it's very durable and heat resistant. Nevertheless, the stitching will break eventually because it's constantly exposed to sparks, extreme heat, and sharp metal. At number 4. Miller Electric MIG Welding Gloves. These gloves are designed for experienced welders who spend their days using MIG and stick welders. If you're a manufacturing welder, you'll need to cool them off often. You'll need to stop for a while to let the dense cowhide outer layer cool off. The Miller gloves have a fleece lining over the foam on the inside. This provides a pleasant sensation as well as a comfortable fit. Since they're thick and reinforced, they'll keep your palms from getting bruised. They have Kevlar binding, which ensures sturdy seams that can withstand the elements. The fingers on these gloves have a keystone shape to help match your thumb, and they're pre-curved, so you can get right to work without having to break them in. At number 5. YUAN Resistant Gloves. These gloves are high quality, constructed from cow leather, which is fire retardant. The inside of the glove is made of cotton, increasing the wearer's comfort, and these gloves also resist cuts and punctures. They're also double stitched with Kevlar thread, and the palm is cushioned for comfort and increased grip. These gloves are ideal for industrial, heavy-duty tasks, and the perfect choice when you are stick and MIG welding, especially as they have an elongated sleeve to protect your skin against spanners and sparks. They're also moderately resistant to oil and grease, and thanks to the handy hooks, they hang up easily at the end of the project. At number 6. TILLMAN Gloves. These MIG gloves are built for excellence. It makes use of cotton and cowhide for its overall construction. Both materials are flame resistant. You will be impressed with the effectiveness of these MIG gloves in protecting your hands from spatter and flames. It even makes use of Kevlar threads for the stitches of its seams, making the gloves stronger. The back part of it comes with a carded elastic, which allows the gloves to stay in your hand without requiring adjustments. It is also convenient to use because of its seamless forefinger. This feature is beneficial as it prevents you from having to remove your gloves every time you need to operate or run remote controls. The body of the gloves is constructed from cotton, making it cooler compared to other materials. It has better heat resistance too, because of its specially tanned and treated sleeves.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.